Izakhamuzi zakuleli ngeke zishaqiswe okuningi okuqukethwe lencwadi njengoba insolo zenkohlakalo kade zaqala ukubhebhetheka ngeEskom.
It really just fleshes out in a lot of detail the levels of malfeasance and corruption, mismanagement, and poor staff performance that have been pretty well, covered in the media to date.
Ruyter uthi bengakutholi ukwesekwa okufanele kuhulumeni nokho abanye bathi ubazi mhla ethatha lesisikhundla ukuthi kuzomela dansele isiginci sopolitiki.
His performance was dismal, as you know. The coal-fired fleet, his reliability maintenance was not done as it was supposed to have been done. So maybe what he could have done, if I were him, again, not being able to control the external environment, which is noisy and political, I would have been tried to control what's within my sphere of control, which is to do the reliability maintenance. Power fleet.
iEskom iyaqhubeka nokuzama ukuthola umuntu ozongena esikhundleni sika Ruyter nozoletha uguquko kule nkampani.